Hello students, welcome to the online class session of accountancy. Today I will explain you the topic retiring a bill under rebate related to the chapter bills of exchange. Already I explained you the meaning of retiring a bill under rebate. Retiring means finalizing a bill, and this finalizing process is done by the drawee before the due date of bill, and for making the bill's payment before the due date, he means the drawee is allowed relaxation on some percentage basis, because he is making the payment of the bill before the due date of the bill. So this rebate, that is the relaxation provided to the drawee, is a loss for the drawer. So it will be shown on the debit side of drawer book. As per the rules of debit and credit, the loss is shown on the debit side, but will be shown on the credit side of drawee book because it's an income for the drawee. Okay. Keep in mind, rebate will be shown on the credit side of the drawee book because it's an income for the drawee. Now, yesterday I explained you the entries to be passed in the books of seller Neha. Today I will explain you the journal entries which are needed to be passed in the books of Muskan, the purchaser, or say the drawee. See the question. Question number 11 of NCERT. On Jan 1st, 2016, Neha sold goods for Rs 20,000 to Muskan. In the books of Muskan, we are going to pass the journal entry. So we will pass the very first journal entry related to purchase of goods from Neha. The basic journal entry to be passed when the goods are purchased on credit basis is purchases account debit to creditors. Okay, here the creditor is Neha. Okay, Jan 1st is the date of the transaction. Purchases account debit to Neha. The amount related is 20,000 rupees. Narration I have written whatever is done in the journal entry. Goods purchased from Neha. Now, further reading of the question. And drew upon her a bill of exchange payable after 2 months. Okay, Neha issued or drew a bill of exchange on Muskan. Okay. So after acceptance of the bill will become bill payable for Muskan and bill receivable for Neha. Here we are preparing the books of Muskan, so we will consider here bill payable. Okay. Here the place of Neha, the creditor, will be occupied by the another liability known as bill payable, and Neha's place will be changed to debit. Okay, because Neha accepted bill payable. Okay, oh sorry, not Neha, Muskan accepted bill payable. So the place of her creditor Neha will be occupied by bill payable, and Neha, the creditor's place, will be changed. Okay, why? Because Neha, the creditor's place is being occupied by bill payable. Neha, the creditor, will decrease. It will be shown on the debit side, and bill payable, the increase in liability. Bill payable is a liability. The increase in liability as per rules of debit and credit is shown on the credit side. Okay, right? So bill payable will be shown on the credit side. Okay. Follow the rules of debit and credit. One liability is decreasing, Neha, and another liability is increasing, bill payable. Neha will be shown on the debit side and bill payable will be shown on the credit side. Now, further reading out the question. One month before the maturity of the bill, okay, the bill maturity date is, just count 2 months after Jan 1st, March 1st. Jan 1st plus 2 months, March 1st. Okay, and 3 days of grace, just count March 4. Just come 1 month back, the due date, the date will be Feb 4. Okay, Feb 4. Neha agreed, 1 month before the maturity of the bill, Muskan approached Neha to accept the payment against the bill at a rebate of 12% per annum. Neha agreed on the request of Muskan and Muskan retired the bill under the agreed rate of rebate. Okay, the bill was of rupees 20,000. Okay, it was paid 1 month before. So 1 month rebate will be provided to Muskan at the rate of 12% rate, 12 upon 100. The amount of rebate will be 200 rupees. Okay, so here the liability bill payable will decrease because the bill payment is being made 1 month before. Whenever the liability, that is bill payable, will decrease, it will be shown on the debit side. Okay, because the rule says whenever liability is decreased, then to be shown on the debit side. While making payment, there will be decrease in cash. Cash will be shown on the credit side, and rebate is an income. Increase in income is shown on the credit side. Okay, the rebate amount is 200 rupees. Okay, the bill payable liability was of rupees 20,000. 200 after 200 rupees relaxation, that is rebate, the amount which will be paid by Muskan is 19,800. 20,000 minus 200, that is 19,800 rupees. Okay, so these were the journal entries which were needed to be passed in the books of Muskan. Just take a screenshot and fear it up and try to solve further questions related to the same topics which I have explained you till now in the online classes, in the previous sessions of online classes. Okay, the YouTube video link explaining the same question will be shared by me on the class WhatsApp group. Repeatedly you watch the video, and if any problem you faces, you share that problem on my personal WhatsApp number, your problems will be solved. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day.